Bro, dito na ako bro.
Oh bro, diyan ka na pala.
Gusto bro!
Basta bro.
Uy! Gusto
Uy.
bro!
Pati ka nagkoka.
A few moments later.
Gusto bro!
Ay bro, basta.
Uy! Mapagod sa biyahe.
Sige bro, balik ako na dyan.
Nga pala, may nakausap kong buyer kanina.
Ano model line natin bro?
Nokia 3210 daw.
Sige bro, hanapin natin yan.
Mga bro, sabihin na lang doon natin si Jerry. Ano, tara?
Tara.
Uy, musta?
Teka lang, hindi ako makapasok.
Ano balita bro?
Okay lang. Puro mistake nga lang.
Bro, nasobrahan ka na dyan. Ipahinga mo muna yan, bro.
Bro, may bago pa lang tinatayong commercial building dun.
Tara, kontratahin natin.
Oo pre, kilala ko owner dyan. Tara, kausapin natin.
Tawagan niyo na lang ako, nigyan ng help. Pag nakuha natin yan, malaking project yan.
Ayun nga pala. May naghahanap sa akin ng iPhone 14. Meron ba tayo dyan?
Meron tayong makukuhanan dyan. Pero medyo kamahalan lang.
Siyempre, bagong model kasi talagang mahal talaga yun.
Oh bro.
Bahala na. Sakto tigil ng ulan ah.
Sobra, be, sobra.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Sabi no? Ang bilis talaga ng panahon.
Oo nga, nabata pa ako. Tumag-aalala ako eh. Kahit sa kain eh, nabay.
Nagsitanda na. Baka mapag-iwanan na tayo nito ah.
Oo nga eh.
O naman.
Kahit nga ako, di na makalaro basketball, nilarayuman na rin ako eh.
O diba?
Oo nga bro.
Bilis ng panahon.
Oo nga bro. Hindi ko kalahin na pastor na ako ngayon.
Grabe naman bro.
Here you go, search your order. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Sorry, isa may binata pa sa amin. Thank you po.
Hindi pa tatay ito.
Hey miss, what's your name?
He doesn't fight crime or wear a cape. He doesn't read minds or levitate. But every time my world needs saving, he's my Superman. Some folks don't believe in heroes 'cause they haven't met my dad. He loves his workshop and rock and roll. He's got a hot rod and a heart of gold. And you could say he's a man of few words, but he talks a lot within. And even though I'm a little taller, I still look up to him. He built me a house in the arms of a tree. He taught me to drive and to fight and to dream. When he looks in my eyes, I hope he can see that my dad's a hero to me. Rust-ridden fenders and doors full of dings. Somehow he can fix about anything. I didn't think he knew how to cry till our dog died that year. He doesn't always say I love you, but I can hear him loud and clear. He built me a house in the arms of a tree. He taught me to drive and to fight and to dream. When he looks in my eyes, I hope he can see that my dad's a hero to me. of a tree. He taught me to drive and to fight and to dream. When he looks in my eyes, I hope he can see that my dad's a hero to me. My dad's a hero to me. My dad's a hero to me.
Nagkakaroon